Also, before I go, if you guys are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you need to press that subscribe button. It's down below. Y'all know it's free. Also hit that bell right beside us so you guys can be notified whenever I post a video. I'm getting back into the swing of things of posting videos on a regular basis, you guys. You guys motivated me, so I'm going to do it. So, yeah, you guys. I'll list all my social media down below in the description box. All my other affiliated links will be in the description box as well, and the products I used in this video. All right, you guys. Now I'm going to stop rambling. I'll see y'all in the next video. What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Amber. So, I have a tutorial for you guys. So, no, if you guys read the title, this is not a tutorial on this eye look. This is can't even talk today. This is a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, you guys, because most of my videos I skip the eyebrows because it takes forever. You guys will see what I mean when you guys see this tutorial. But I did want to come to you guys with a beat face. So this is basically the finished product of everything after I did my eyebrows and then I just did my makeup off camera. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I did this look, comment down below and I will do that video for you guys. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna stop rambling and just enjoy my tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Alright, so now that I just finished randomly rambling, I'm going to jump right into it. So I'm using my Smashbox eyeshadow palette. I'm using that kind of burgundy brown color. And I'm just going to brush up my eyebrow hairs in the direction I want them to go. And then I start on the bottom of my eyebrow. I just create a little line. I'm sort of heavy-handed with this product because I like my eyebrows to really be filled in. I don't like any weird spaces in my eyebrows. So after I finish the bottom, I just go on to the top and do the same thing. Just basically outline where my eyebrow is. The only part where I actually I guess extend where my actual natural brow is the upper arch, and kind of finesse that one a little bit. I like my eyebrows to be kind of thick. I don't really like thin eyebrows. Sometimes I wear it thin, but most of the time I wear it pretty thick. So I'm just going to fill in those spaces. Like I said, I'm pretty heavy-handed with this product. So then I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Creamy Beige. You see I already did both eyebrows. I'm just going to clean it up. And that smaller brush is what I'm going to use to blend out the bottom concealer. And that other brush is what I'm going to use to blend out the top. I'm using my fan brush to apply my highlight color under my brows, which is that color just showed. I'm using the NYX finishing powder. I have my Magic Hydrating Spray, and then I have my NYX Primer Spray. I do all this in one step. Well, I do all this with my eyebrows because basically after I finish with eyebrows, I just go on and do my eyeshadow. So yeah, let that dry and stuff. Took a lot of fanning, you guys. You guys see my hands look so weird. So I feel everything's all dry. Just going ahead, put some on the back of my hand so I'm not overly using any product. Just gonna dip in the angle brush into the concealer. Then just clean up my brow. You don't have to place it all the way under your eyebrow. You can work your way up if that's how you feel comfortable doing it. When I get to that arch, I kind of work my way up. So I'm just going to go to the other eyebrow. A lot of people blend right after they finish, but I kind of let it sit a little bit so it's not so runny, because LA Girl is pretty creamy. It is pretty loose a little bit. And I just want it to tame and dry up a little bit. I'm just going to do the top. And I'm showing you guys, I didn't do them perfect the first time. I wanted to show you guys this because I want you guys to see, not every time your eyebrows are going to be perfect. They always say eyebrows are cousins, not sisters. They may not always look exactly alike. I would say they're sisters, but not twins, you know. I mean, you could try your best. Yeah, I'm just going to blend it out with that smaller brush on the bottom. Think that look cute? You see? You see what I mean? Already starting to look bomb. I was like, yes. I don't really do voiceovers that often because I feel like my my mouth gets like watery, I guess. I don't know. All that excess talking and stuff. But yeah, and you see when I get to the middle of my brow, I'm kind of pushing that concealer upwards a little bit, blending that in. I'm just going to go ahead, put some concealer on my eyelids, use that same brush to blend everything out. So this is basically me prepping my eye for my eyeshadow. I feel like it's smarter to just do it all in one step instead of having to go back and do it, you know. It saves time. Plus, it looks better at the end anyway. And then I'm just going to take that NYX setting powder. I'm just taking a little beauty wedge and patting that in so that's nice and matte. And then I'm just going to take that fluffy brush that I showed you guys to do the top. I'm mostly doing the back and forth motion, and then I kind of drag the brush a little bit. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Now this concealer is lighter than my skin complexion, so you definitely want to make sure it's blended out right, because when you do that foundation, you don't want it to peek through that, you know. It's like a mess. So I just sprayed that fan brush with the Magic Hydrating Rose Water Spray, and I put the fan brush into that highlight color. Now I'm not overdoing my highlight. I'm just doing enough to where, you know, you see that arch, really. It emphasizes the arch. Yeah, this is the finished look on my eyebrows. You know, I saw that piece was a little too sharp. But yeah, you guys, this is the whole finished look. And of course, I didn't record how I did my face, but I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to just let you guys see me move and how I think I'm cute or whatever.